Uncle Skip, and I'm here to introduce you today to my new spinnerbait, the Switchblade shad, and to show you how easy it is to slip one blade off and then to slip another blade back on. It's that easy. Sometimes on some of the bigger wires you may need to get a needle nose to maybe help slip it through the catch, but for the most part you can just slip them off. The heavier wire is a little bit harder. This zebra pattern seems to be one of the ones that is working real well right now. It comes in several colors. Not only do we have the white zebra, but we're working on a new black zebra with a tandem blade. It's still, you can still slip the old one off. This is the heavier wire, and then you can just slip it right back on another one. The black shad did real well yesterday. We caught 3 fish over 6. One of them was over 7.5. We caught 10 altogether. My son was out helping me that afternoon. He helped film the last 5. I filmed the first 5 by myself, and then the last fish on the video we're going to show you I caught a few days before on a new color. It's a red shad, red Texas shad that we're working on. Most of the time, this is one we were using yesterday. I like to use a 3.5, 4.5 inch curly tail grub as a trailer. The one I used yesterday was a single spin in a 1/2 ounce with the gold willow leaf blade. The black one, I had a silver blade with a small gold Colorado up front. And the sexy shad in a 1/2 ounce. I had the gold willow leaf on it too also. We also, and those are all in the zebra pattern, and we do have just a plain sexy shad. We also have a purple Arkansas shad. I know these colors are probably hard to see, but then we have a green Tennessee shad pattern. We were using those spinner baits. This is mid-March. The water temperature was starting out around 51, 52 degrees and went up to about 57, 58. We were on the wind-blown side of the bank, fishing the shallow flats. We were running the boat in about 4 to 5 feet of water, casting to the bank, slow rolling these baits out. When they'd get about halfway out, around the 3 to 4 foot range, that's when we were getting the strikes. And as you'll see in this little video coming up, it was an exciting day. We thank you for watching and for purchasing our products. And we'll try next time to bring you something else informative to help you catch more and bigger fish, because your success is our success. Thank you.
Stand by and record.
Yeah, sexy shad with the zebra stripe. Got it deep again.
All right, recording.
We like it. Can you see?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, hold on, stand by, record. There we go.
Yeah.
I think so. Record. You're turned the wrong way.
Landing area there. You see?
Yep, got it. You gonna hold it sideways on the camera? Look, he got a spot on his tail like the one from the pond.
Yay.